This barbecue jackfruit recipe is life-saving for meatless meals, even if you're not vegan and just want to reduce meat consumption. This recipe results in tender, moist, chewy, and flavorful ribs that feel, look, and taste like the real thing. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where we bring you the best recipes from all around the world. Today we're making barbecue jackfruit. And you may be thinking, what exactly is jackfruit? Well, it's a tropical tree fruit native to Southwest Asia that absorbs just about any flavor you throw its way, with a texture that feels exactly like meat. You could even pull a prank on your meat lover friends, telling them that they are eating pulled pork and they wouldn't know. This stuff is legit. But before we indulge in this plant-based recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and tap on that notification bell. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then, using a medium mixing bowl, pour 1 cup of high-gluten flour, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/4 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1/2 tablespoon of mustard powder, and 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix all the spices together and add 16 ounces of chopped baby jackfruit. Then quickly mix to incorporate the dry ingredients as gluten activates very fast. Now we will add our liquids to the mix. Pour 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. The liquids will be absorbed very quickly by the jackfruit, so mix everything thoroughly. You should start to see a beautiful brown color after you've completed mixing. Once the barbecue flavor from all the previous spices and liquids is soaked in our mix, we can turn that mixture out onto a dry, clean surface and knead the mixture with our hands. Let's form the mixture into a loaf shape and cut it into 2 equal parts, creating 2 flat, rectangular loaves. Heat up either a charcoal or a stovetop grill, and when hot, grill mark both sides of your jackfruit loaves. Let the marks get nice and dark, but be careful not to burn them. Coat the bottom of a 9 to 12 inch baking dish with 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Spread the sauce around the plate so that it covers the full surface of the jackfruit loaves. Place them in the sauce and flip to coat both sides. Bake the loaves in the oven uncovered for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. When it leaves the oven, rest the jackfruit ribs for 10 minutes before cutting. To pass the time, you can sit next to it and smell that amazing barbecue aroma that's leaving the plate. It never gets old. Then baste with the remaining barbecue sauce and slice into 1-inch slabs. Enjoy your plant-based meal. If you'd like to read the steps of this recipe, check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to see both this recipe and many more plant-based meals. If you have not already, please support the channel by leaving a like on this video and clicking the subscribe button. Thank you all for cooking along with us and learning new recipes along the way. Hope all of you have a great day and to see you again in our next video recipe.